Actually, my topic today is commitment. Commitment to your personal development, commitment to your journey to being better. It will require more and more from you depending on the paradigms you want to break. Paradigms are just a mindset, a way of doing things. If it's not working for you anymore, you have the opportunity to change it. But remember, you shall be going against the current, because right now you may be used to going this way, one way. Now you want to change something, and some of the things you have to change may be going against the current. What do? You commit to the journey. And how do you show commitment? Actually, I was thinking about this last week, right? While I was thinking, what am I going to do next year? What do I want to do different? Because every year and every season, you have an opportunity to change things. And one of the things that was coming to me was commitment. Commitment to being better. Commitment to picking a few things that you do very well and do them more. Commitment to release the things that are not working anymore. It's not easy, especially when they are giving you some kind of results. There is a tendency to let them hang around, but everything you do takes energy, resources, mind power. It takes a part of you. Until you release it, you will always be in that mediocre range. So you have to commit to doing something well and doing it in massive quantities once you master how to do it well. So one of the things I am planning to do, which I hope you'll do, remember I teach from my personal experience, so this will work for some of you, it may not work for others. Whatever works for you, just do that. You don't have to follow my way. But when you commit to something, you have to take actions that show your commitment to that thing. You have to commit resources that show your commitment to that thing. For example, last month when I committed to actually launch my book as a physical copy, I had to start committing to updating the book, committing to adding in the pages that, I had never thought about, like, the last page, the acknowledgement and things of that nature. Committing to putting together a launch where we can all get together and meet the egos. It was a wonderful experience, but I had to put time, energy, put their systems to make the process work. Either in your business, your personal life, what kind of system have you put in place to ensure the success of that thing you're committing to? There has to be some kind of process, a system. For example, if it's just personal development and maybe you want to commit to completing things, or you want to commit to maybe a health journey, what is your work schedule? What is your workout schedule? Are you meeting with a trainer? Are you doing it yourself? What time have you put aside to make this work? So these are all little parts of the big puzzle. So commitment is the big puzzle. What you commit to is that goal you want to find out, or that vision you want to find out. Then what little steps within that vision or that goal do you want to start accomplishing? Little by little, put deposits there, because at some point momentum will grow, momentum will come, and that vision and the goal, the dream will take on a bigger energy. You don't have to wait for tomorrow. You can start today. Just even thinking, what do you want to commit to for the next few months? That alone adds the juice. But then for every day that goes by, you have to deposit something into that commitment to your journey, whatever it is. It doesn't have to be like your neighbors. It doesn't have to be like your friend. You just have to commit. As always, this is Mother Eagle. I love you guys. Stay committed to your journey, whatever you choose. We need you in this time, in this place. You're right where you're supposed to be in this season. As always, Love you. Leave all your comments below. Share the videos, and there will be plenty more to come. Bye.